My son, be not afraid. I bring great news.
Okay.
What you have achieved today, many before you have attempted. It is a great feat, but before I can speak it to you, you must promise to tell no other.
Alright.
Would you like to know?
Sure.
You don't seem enthusiastic.
I think that's just my face.
Anyway, for many years you have walked through the doors of your kitchens and then opened the doors to your fridge, but little did you know, within that door lay another door, just waiting to be opened, waiting for you to prove yourself worthy.
What did I do to be worthy?
You opened the door.
What door?
The door to the fridge.
But I've done that before.
Yes, but never this many times. It is the right of man that he should not be granted the secrets to his heart, lest he open the door the correct amount of times in a 1 hour period.
How many times?
37.
That's it? I just have to open the door 37 times?
That's it? Do you hear the words you speak? Few have ever been so bemused, but you. Tell me, are you ready to hear? Are you ready to learn the secret to all of your problems? Are you ready to discover the secret of life?
Sure.
The secret to life is finding something worthwhile to do with your time.
Well, that's it?
That's it.
Seems really obvious, though.
Alright, you're not getting it. I'm a refrigerator. I don't hold the answer to all of your problems, so stop acting like I do. And also, if it was so obvious, you wouldn't be opening the refrigerator 37 times. Clearly you need to find something better to do. Go write a book or something.
Okay.
And stop coming to me all the time. You're letting all the cool air out. Jeez, I'll tell you, some people